As the current COVID-19 pandemic is still here, there's a movement towards restarting life under a new normal. The virus may be with us for a long time, but GPS, artificial intelligence, and IoT may be a solution moving forward here in the country. Knowing which individuals have quarantined themselves and which are free of the virus would go a long way towards a rapid recovery of economic and social activities. A professor from the Middle East College developed a wearable, sensitive and accurate device for detection of a wide array of pathogenic bacteria and viruses, especially COVID-19. It's an honor to have with us online today on Afternoon Delight, Associate Professor and currently heads the Center for Research and Consultancy in the Middle East College. It's an honor to have with us Dr. Nizar Al-Bassam. Doc, welcome to the program. Okay, so first of all, congratulations for this new innovation, and kindly introduce yourself, Doc, and how did you get in touch with this project? What brought you to the point of doing this research on the regarding the Internet of Things?
Thank you very much. At the beginning, I would like to give word of thanks to the Ministry of Higher Education, Research and Innovation to give us this opportunity to develop this project. Also, I would like to give word of thanks to Middle East College for supporting me during the project. Actually, the project comes as a response to the call issued by the Ministry of Higher Education, Research and Innovation. And at that time, that project, I felt it could be a response and could be a solution for such a case.
So how will you describe your project briefly? How does it work?
Actually, the system consists of three parts. First part is a wearable device, which is able to measure vital signs, including vital signs, which are used to detect COVID-19 symptoms, such as temperature and SpO2, oxygen level in blood, and also heartbeat. And in addition to that, the system is provided with a cloud-based website, which is able to receive the information from the wearable device.
Wow.
Moreover, the device is able to detect subwaves, which is one of the also famous systems in COVID-19 detection. Moreover, there is one application associated with the system which can be used by the relatives or friends, so they can be notified in case if there is abnormal signs or symptoms.
How relevant is it at this time? How is IoT technology involved?
The communication has happened between the device itself to the cloud-based system to data network, which is used the Internet protocol. So the device is directly connected to the cloud-based system and not through the mobile application, which are now currently used for detecting or for carrying information to the center of information. So it has a direct link from the device to the cloud-based system through the cellular network, but not through the user or the person's mobile.
Okay.
So the communication happens through the internet itself.
All right. So why is it? Why is this breakthrough in the presence of all other devices which measure different human vital signs? Why is it that how is it possible?
Very good question. You can look to the market currently. It has many devices, but these devices either to measure a few symptoms or either standalone devices.
Okay.
But what we are proposing is a complete integrated system which can be used for COVID-19 and also could be used for any other application in the future. This is number one. Number two, the device is provided with a GPS. That GPS will be able to track the quarantined person or even the infected person. So this, in case if there will be any violation, the device itself will notify and will create alarm in addition to the notification to the case managers or doctors. So, number 3, you will be developing your own system. So all the data which will be used for analysis, which will be used for storing, which is important information, will be stored with your devices. But other devices, other ready manufactured devices, all are linked with an external cloud or external storage.
Can this sensor work for COVID-19 without being subjected to infection?
Yeah. Actually, the major work of these sensors are based on the symptoms, which is analyzed by or recognized by the World Health Organization, which is related to temperature and which is related to cough. In addition to that, these both are available, so the system will be notify the case manager that there is a potential infection. Moreover, the cough detection is based on using artificial intelligence algorithm, which can be also used and developed to give you more accurate diagnosis of such infection.
Okay.
In addition, the system provides you with the SpO2 or the oxygen level, which is a very important indicator, which needs to be monitored through either quarantine or even through infection, specifically for elderly people. So this could be also support the monitoring and diagnosis.
Are there limitations to this?
Currently, yes, not limitation, but as any standard device which is in the prototype level or prototype stage. So we are very ambitious also to have some development related to power and related to the size. Currently, the size is acceptable, but if you will go to the final project, it will be, for sure, it will be reduced. So this could be some of the challenges which may faced by the device.
Do you think the use of this device and app is viable here in the country? And what are the biggest advantages of this solution?
Yes, it could be used, and it could be in Oman and any other country as well. There is no limitation, and it is. But practical use, it will be very ideal if you have separate large number of area with separate population, because the device is linked with the web-based cloud-based system, which gives you also indicator and give you a map. And that map contains the possibly infected, even recovered as per the already detailed database. So this will give the case managers, doctors the opportunity to monitor and follow these cases based on dashboard and based on colored map. So you can predict and you can follow, and maybe you can even diagnose and treat on the spot.
Drawbacks or challenges working this project?
Size of the device, number one. For the time being, it is fine. It is acceptable. But as we very ambitious to have much also more time. And related to the power, which also could be not too much challenge, but not big challenge, but could be a challenge in the future. 3 could be also the need to secure also the information related to the medical record and health record, which is considered as a privacy statement, privacy issues with the patient.
Okay. What is the size of this device?
Size is normal. It's normal. It's not too much big. But as this is any electronic device, any model, in a prototype stage, usually it's in the proof of concept stage. But when you are going to real application, it will go through different stages, which is automatically reduce all these type of boundaries or all these type of challenges.
This is a clip device, right?
Yeah. Actually, even the external body of the device is based on three-dimension printer design. So we do that and through the 3D printer, it will also well designed, and we are ambitious to have much more development inside and power.
So how many are you in this project, Doc?
We are around 7 team members from different specializations, including electronic engineers and computer science specialists.
Can you give us the names of those people who are behind this project?
Dr. Sheikh Asif Hussein, Dr. Somish, Dr. Lydia Lavinia, Mr. Jibril Khan, Mr. Yahya Liblushi, Sana, and Mr. Muhammad Al-Sukaiti.
Okay.
And Mr. Dr. Ammar Al-Qaragul. And from various specializations. It's a type of what we call it interdisciplinary project, not only one private project.
Well, congratulations, you guys. Yeah, you did a good job.
Thank you.
So what's your overall evaluation on this project?
Yeah, actually, the project itself, my evaluation, it passes the design stage, which is required to provide a proof of concept prototype that meets the already designed objectives.
Okay.
For sure, there is a positive look into the future to try to make this project as a real-time or a real prototype, which could be also available in the market.
So what can we expect from your research project in the near future?
Can be used, then we will have an integrated system which make us ready for any health-related issue. Also, this could be used even for any type of health flows, health monitoring. So it could be used for as a whole system, as I said, as a strategic implementation, or even it could be used as an individual implementation, even in hospitals, in homes.
Yeah, even in airports, actually. Yeah.
Yeah,
because they need this kind of faster detection right away, right? So, in which direction will your product portfolio develop? The development of new technologies, business strategies, with a closer look on the regional market.
As per our research, which we conducted while we are preparing the proposal, there was no such a full system as per our best knowledge. There was no ready system which can integrate all these two features together at once.
So what does the future look like for IoT here in the Sultanate?
This is actually all these information which are collected by the device will be sent to the cloud-based system or web-based system through the internet protocol, and even the GPS location, all related information will be provided to the dashboard through the internet. So the device itself is connected to the its system, its central system, through the internet. So as you know now, Internet of Things is a matter of you are using all the devices connected to the internet. You are using the internet protocol. You are using the internet network, not for computers only, but for devices, doors, cars. All these applications is now even considered as a current trend of research and application.
Internet of Things has grown rapidly in the last decade and continued to develop in terms of dimension and complexity, offering a wide range of devices to support a diverse set of applications. With internet, connected sensors and actuators, networking and communication technology, along with the artificial intelligence, these things provide services rendering assistance and convenience to all of us in our daily lives. IoT and smart connected technologies plays a crucial role not only in the prevention or monitoring of patients, but also enabling enforcing guidelines, rules to contain such future outbreaks, especially COVID-19. Thank you very much, Doc, for being here. It's a pleasure to have you in our program today.
Thank you very much for you and to give me this such an opportunity. I'm very
Okay. Anyone you would like to thank? Maybe your school or the people?
Yeah. Actually, again, I will repeat my word of thanks to the Ministry of Higher Education, Research and Innovation. I would like to thank Middle East College for supporting me during the project. Also, I would like to give word of thanks to my team members, which supported, they are supporting me too much. Although it was a difficult time.
Yeah.
So I give them this word of thanks and gratitude.
Okay. All the best and more success to your upcoming plans in the future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Doc. All right. That's Research Innovator, Associate Professor, and currently heads the Center for Research Consultancy in Middle East College, Oman, Dr. Nizar Al-Bassam. I'm Frank. Thanks for listening.